Is your NVIDIA GPU stuck at 210 MHz even while gaming? Low FPS, stuttering, and trivial performance on your laptop? Don't worry, today I'll show you how to fix it step by step. This works on Acer Predator, ASUS ROG MSI, Lenovo Legion, HP Omen, Dell G-Series, and more. Here, I will demonstrate using my Acer Predator. As you can see, my GPU clock is stuck at 210 MHz even while launching a game or benchmark. This means the GPU clock is locked in idle power state and no amount of graphics settings will fix it until we do this. This usually happens because of NVIDIA power saving bugs, Windows power plans, laptop manufacturer software like Predator Sense or a corrupted driver. Let's fix it properly and starting with the most important step. Press and hold the shift key and right click on your desktop and open the NVIDIA control panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings. Change Power Management Mode to Prefer Maximum Performance. After that, click on Apply. Actually, this alone fixes it for many users. If it is not working for you, try the second fix. Now open the settings, then go to System. After that, go to Power. Set the power mode to best performance. Now go to Windows Search and search for Edit Power Plan. Then open Advanced Power Settings and make sure PCI Express Link State Power Management should turn off. This step is very crucial if you have a laptop. If you are using an Acer Predator, open the Predator Sense and select the mode Performance or Turbo and select the fan speed Auto or Maximum. Never leave it on quiet mode while gaming. This can lock the GPU at idle clocks. Now let's force the GPU to wake up. Now run any game and watch the clock. As you can see, our GPU is alive. If your GPU is still stuck at 210 MHz, then you must clean reinstall the driver. Uninstall NVIDIA drivers in safe mode. Then reinstall the latest driver with clean installation checked. And make sure laptop is plugged in. Temperatures are below 85 degrees C and no battery saver and whisper mode is enabled. And that's it. Now check once. Hopefully your problem will be solved. So, I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.